everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my monthly update for the Painter's Pan. This is a project that started September 1st of last year. This is it was created by Liz from Kooky Pants on Instagram, but it's everywhere now, and I see updates on it for Instagram. I see it on YouTube. Everyone's doing this project. It is the whole premise of this project is to pay homage to panners that you like to watch, whether you've been watching them for a long time, or someone that you've newly discovered and you just really appreciate what they're doing in the panning community. It's kind of like just showing respect to others in the panning community. I love it. I love this community. I say that every single update because I love the panning community. Best community out there. It really is. It really is. So I am doing 10 people at a time, and I've been through quite a lot of products since we started this. Quite a lot. I've actually finished 22 products or hit goal. I think everything but one, and that is the person that is rolling out today, was to finish a product. And yeah, I finished 22 things thus far. Not 22 painters, because there were some painters that I had multiple items in for because it just fit for their thing. So let's get into this. Before I keep babbling on and on, everyone that I mentioned today is going to be linked down below if you want to go check out some of these painters. If you don't already watch them, most of them you probably will already know. The one that I'm going to be bringing in today, you may or may not know her. She's someone that I've been watching pretty much all year, and I love her personality. But we'll get into her in a second. We will. All right, let's start with Dana. I'm going to go with the people that have been in here the longest, and in the order in which I brought them in, and then we'll get on to who we're rolling in. All right, so Dana, she's my girl. Eyeshadow Junkie at Heart on Instagram. If you're not following her, you really should be, because she's awesome. I literally talk to her every single day. She's my girl. She's my girl. All right, so for her, this product is giving me fits. It is, but I love it and I hate it at the same time. I brought it in because, one, she's an Urban Decay girl. She loves her Urban Decay, which is cool, and she does some really cool eye looks sometimes, sparkly, adventurous, whatever. This is technically a lip product. I actually do have it on my lips today, but I do wear it on my eyes as well. This is Urban Decay Vice Special Effects in Regulate. The stopper has been out for a while, and I am attempting to finish it. You can see this line, this blue line where it was. That is pretty much the last I've been able to put a line on it. You can see that the stopper is out. And there's kind of like a hole down in there where I've tried to dig everything out. But it's getting to the point where it's sticking up on the sides, even though there's a hole down in there. I cannot accurately measure what is in here. It's definitely not up to this line. It looks like it, but the product that's in there, it is definitely, there's a dip down in there, and one side is dippier than the other. I know, not really a word, but I think I could actually have this done this calendar year if I keep playing with it. I've been wearing it on my lips more and more. Is it my absolute favorite for the lips? No, it is not, but it's not bad. But it does, it's odd because it's glittery, but it's matte at the same time. My lips feel really dry right now, and they would feel even drier if I didn't have something else underneath of it. So it definitely feels like a matte liquid lipstick on my lips, and that's not a thing. I'm a gloss girl. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep playing with it. I do think I can probably have it done this year. I think I can. I think I can. We'll see. All right. Nona, my girl. She is budget, beauty, and more now, I think. I keep meaning to write it down, and I keep forgetting to, because this is my brain. It's just the way my brain works. But she's down there. She is down there. I'm going to have her linked. And I did with her and Amanda a get ready with me kind of look, with the ColourPop Honey palette back in the day, back when I actually still had some time to film that kind of stuff. So I pulled Palooza out for her to finish. Like, I am using it, but I don't use a ton at once. And Nona's gonna be hanging out with me for a while. I kind of wish she lived close to me so we could hang out in real life, because she's such a sweetheart. She really is. And if you're not watching her, if you're not checking her out on Instagram, go do it, because Nona's the girl. Anyway, I'm attempting to finish this. We shall see how things play out towards the end of the year, if I can finish it this year or not. I would like to finish it this year, not to kick her out of the project or anything, but because that's one of those products that I really wanted to finish by the end of the year. All right, moving on, because I'm very rambly tonight. Amber F. Everyone knows who Amber F is. I mean, she is the queen. She created Pan That Palette. Everyone knows who Amber F is. If you don't, you should. So I pulled an eyeshadow out of my Naked 2 palette. This is Tease. And yeah, as soon as I'm done filming, I'm repressing that, because it's kind of becoming a pain in the butt to work with, because see, there's like a little bit up there and it's driving me nuts. And it's not a very far drive. So that one is going to be in for a little bit. I use it a lot, but I've noticed since it's gotten into that like corner, I haven't been using it as much as I should. I need to get on that. All right, Rebecca, Panning and Stuff. She has changed her name as well. I believe it's just her name, Rebecca. She might have Rebecca S. I don't know if she has her last name or not. I don't want to say it in case her last name is not on there. So yeah, it's going to be linked down below. I brought in a potted lipstick for her because she had panned, I believe it was like a Vice lipstick palette that had like all these different lipsticks in it, and I was so impressed watching her do that. I hate potted stuff. I absolutely hate it. So I melted it and put it into here. Guess what I didn't use in the past month because it was in my drawer and I forgot about it? Yes, that lipstick. I need to prioritize that. I do. All right. This one I should be prioritizing, but my skin doesn't need it. For Emily and Max, she does Deck of Panning, Graveyard Project Pan. Y'all know who Emily is. She is attempting to get rid of, or use up, not get rid of, but use up all of the non-cruelty free stuff in her collection, and then just have a completely cruelty free inventory, which I think is awesome. So I chose this peel. It's the Exuviance Performance Peel for her because it is not cruelty free, and I figured using it up out of my collection would be a good thing. Here's the deal. I have 3 left. I have 3 of those in there, and I just haven't needed it. My skin has not needed it. I have been using a toner that's an AHA toner, and my skin doesn't need it. And I love to pan to use up my stuff, but I don't want to pan and use things that I don't think my skin needs. And if Emily has to stay in this project for a while because my skin really doesn't need this right now, then she's going to hang out with me for a hot minute because I'm not going to use them and waste them. These are like insanely expensive. Like this whole pack, let me tell you, how much was this? This is $79. So it's not cheap, but yeah, I don't want to waste it. I don't want to use it if my skin doesn't need it. My skin feels better now than it did seriously like 10 years ago, which is crazy. But I'm just using such good products right now that my skin loves, and it ain't broke. So I'm not going to fix it. I will use these when my skin says you need to do it. And I have a feeling as, you know, I use up some of my other products and the winter air comes and things get drier and I'll get, you know, your skin is not as happy. Then I will need to use it. But right now I just don't need to. So it's just going to sit there. When I need to use it, I will use it. And, you know, if Emily holds a spot in here for, you know, months to come, that's what happens. All right, moving on because I'm just, Steph Lyons and Delin. Delin is Outward Processing. They created Partners in Cream together. I brought them in together. I had to bring them in together because they're my girls. And, you know, they belong together. They really do. So I brought in 2 like products. They're both ColourPop cream gel liners. in, let's see, Electric Daisy and Prance. And I'm going to show you the progress on the front. You can see my progress lines. They're a little sketchy right there. I definitely find myself reaching for words, Jessica, Electric Daisy more than I do Prance right now because I'm working on a green eyeshadow, and I think that's why I'm using this one a little bit more. But then I also have to work on a blue eyeshadow before the end of the year, and then this one is going to come into play. So as odd as it may sound, my goal is to actually keep these pretty parallel so that I can finish them at the same time because it just seems right. It just seems right with my girls. All right, moving on to the next one. Victoria, she is on Instagram only, and she sent me some polishes a while back. I can't even remember what year it was. 2017, 2018, 2019. I don't even remember. But she sent me some nail polishes from OPI. 3 gorgeous polishes right here. So my goal is going to be to use each one of these 3 times before I roll them out. Of course, I'm doing project polish as well, so these are kind of like a supplement to that. So far, I have not used the blue because I am panning a blue right now, but you know, that's all right. That is all right. I have used the purple one time and the orange one time. This would have been it 2 times, except the one time that I wanted to use it, I could not get it open. I was able to after the fact, but you know, it's just the way it goes. So 1 and 1 here and none here. It's okay if they stay in for a little while. It's all good. And then Jaylon, I did like a random draw for her. She created Child of the 80s Project Pan. She's created a lot of stuff, but that's one that I just absolutely adore. It will be back again next year, but I did a random draw for her, and I got 15 Princess Bride. It's an item that you love. I love, first of all, I love Shea Moisture stuff, and I love leave-in conditioners for my hair. My hair needs it. It's super dry. Oh, there's my puppy. Hi, puppy. So I brought this in for her, and she's a curly girl, so it, you know, it just made sense for me. Here's my progress. I was right here. Now I'm down here, and if I keep that progress 2 months, and I should have that one done. I am not worried about that one at all. All right, so oh, and I missed my I missed one. My empty, I missed it because I pushed it off to the side. That's from my girl Dani. I'm kind of sad that she's rolling out because I love me some Dani. Like, she's my sister from another mister. I feel like we have so much in common. Like, we have differences too, but we have so much in common, and we are generationally the same. Words, Jessica, words. So I'm kind of sad to see her rolling out of this. When she started doing 100% cruelty-free Project Pan, she originally was starting to go through her Morphe palettes to hit pan in all of them. So I chose a shade from my depotted Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This is Royalty, and my goal was to hit pan for her, and I have done that, and I'm kind of sad this is rolling out because this is a really pretty shadow. It works really well, and it's purple. I love purple, so it is what it is. So definitely go check out Dani. She's down there. She is awesome. She's an amazing panner, and the way she goes through eyeshadows, hits pan on eyeshadows, absolutely amazing. All right, now I have to bring someone in, and there's a lot of people I could bring in, and I struggle with this every time I have to bring someone in because there's so many people that I want to bring in, and I don't want to feel like anyone is being left out. So like, I go through that struggle, and here I am picking at stuff because of the struggle. But I really wanted to bring this person in because, one, she is amazing. She's really sweet, and she does not have a big following right now, and I kind of feel like it would be nice if other people that have not discovered her yet will actually check her out because she's so sweet, and I think she deserves a bigger following than what she has. So this, and I don't know how she pronounces her name. It's either Mari or Mary. I'm sure it's probably short for something, but she is Patriot Makeup. Again, I'm going to have her linked down below. She is such a sweetheart. I love her to pieces, and I love her new hair. It's been a little bit since she got it cut, but she had some like long, gorgeous, long, dark hair, and now it's like, it's gotten gradually shorter, and it looks stunning on her. But I love her personality. She's very genuine, and I don't know, there's something about her. I'm just drawn to her as a person, and I think other people should go check her out. Anyway, she has created a project called Show Your Sparkle. I think it's such a cute project, and I have chosen my product in honor of her project, Show Your Sparkle. So I literally picked something like as sparkly as I could get. This is the ColourPop Glitter Gel in After Party. I had it in a project earlier in the year. I was unable to finish it, but like I really love this glitter, and it just seemed perfect for her. So I am going to attempt to finish this. It's going to take a while because, you know, it's glitter, straight up glitter, and I just thought it was very appropriate for her and for her project. I wanted to pick her because I want people to be able to discover her. Why can't I say words today? Because she really is a good person, and I think that other people, once they discover her channel, they're gonna love her too. They really are. I'm gonna go because my dog is barking. My brain is clearly not working today. I'm a hot mess, and I think I'm just gonna sip my hot tea and edit some videos because my thinker is not thinking tonight. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. Definitely go check out the people down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.